You know what? God wanted us to just be. To be creative and to be simply humans. God wants us to creating the life that we desire without any stress or pressure. Be with nature so we don't have to spend because God already created everything we need. There's enough abundance for everyone, for us to be truly happy, have a blissful life on this planet. Pero anong nangyari? We're all living in survival, making ends meet. We're all tired and exhausted. We suffer just to live. We have to pay for everything. Bakit nga ba? Bakit nga ba ganito ang paraan ng pamumuhay natin dito sa Earth? Natural to ba't natin binabayaran? It's because all these systems that run in this world were all created by greedy, evil humans, not God. That's why most people suffer. Lahat ng sistema binuo para makontrol ang nakararami. Buong buhay natin, minamanipula tayo ng buong sistema na taliwas sa totoong will ni God. Those greedy elites, ultra-rich business tycoons, through the years, they suck all our energy and hard-earned money. Then what? Compensate humans when they are already weak and unhealthy. Pag PWDs na, when people have short amount of time to live in this world, or yung mga tinatawag na senior citizen, pag konti na lang yung oras mo sa mundo, i-compensate ka nila. This world may have religion or religions that make us believe in God. But still, the world is not ruled by God. We're not following God's rules. God has no rules. God allowed us to just be happy with our own being. Use our gifts, our abilities to help ourselves and others. Have a blissful life. To live peacefully and safe on this planet. So we can unite, have oneness, because we are all one with God. Ano nga ba ang naging resulta sa atin ng mga sistema na tao lamang ang lumikha? Napapaisip ka na ba? Sa next video, ipapaliwanag ko po ang bawat sistema na umuubos sa atin.